Hi, I'm Dr. Priya Srinivasan, Senior Medical Director of the Community Care Vans. This is our Community Care Vans. We provide services at health fairs like today and also out of our DPH licensed clinics on wheels. I'll give you a tour. So this is sort of the front door of the front desk area of our clinic. Patients come in here, and then this is our clinical space. We provide care focused on heart health, substance use disorder, and also cancer screening. And the care that we provide focuses on providing people with medication support, assessment, harm reduction. So it's a wide array of services. And the idea is to provide wraparound care so that needs are met and people can get connected to permanent medical homes.
So you are doing this like every year or every month?
Yeah, so we have 3 vans like this, and our vans are out in the communities 64 hours a week. And we partner closely with over 100 community organizations to figure out where and when to take the van and what services to provide.
Okay, thank you very much, Doctor. So can you give me a tour to go all the way in? So what you are doing over there?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Sounds good. So I'll take you. So today we're at the Java Jimmy Health Fair. So we've sometimes we'll provide our care right out of the van. Today we're located at the health fair itself. So I can. Your Healthy Java Health Fair, and our clinical care team has a table back here providing services. So we register folks as they come in, and then check their blood pressures, help them figure out if they have diabetes, talk to them about their substance use disorder, if there's any way that we can support them, and then offer them cancer screening, specifically colon cancer screening and lung cancer screening. Narcan. So Narcan is a very powerful way to prevent death from opioid overdose. So it comes under the category of harm reduction. So by having it readily available, if somebody has had an opioid overdose, we can reverse the bad consequences of it in someone's body by giving them that medication in a timely fashion.
Hi, my name is Anita Marshall, and I came out to James's event because he's a pillar in our community. He always does amazing things here and in Boston, and I just wanted to show him a little bit of the support that he shows us.
I want to thank our DJ, Jeff, 2 times. Let's give him a hand. I want to get those that help me set.